In this video, we're going to look at something called the product rule. And the product rule is when we actually have a set of terms inside of a bracket multiplied by a set of terms in another set of brackets. And what this means is that everything inside of this one should be multiplied by everything inside of this one. So there's a little thing that we actually use to help us to remember all of the terms that we need to multiply. Essentially, if there's two terms inside of this set of brackets and there's two terms inside of this set of brackets, then I should end up with 4 different terms when I'm finished. And how that works is I'm actually going to be multiplying the first things in each set of brackets by each other. So I'm going to multiply this one by this one. And then I'm actually going to be multiplying the outside set of things in each set of brackets. I'm going to be multiplying this one times this one. So notice this one is going to be multiplied by this one. Then I'm going to be multiplying the inside things inside of the brackets. So the inside would be these two. So I'll be multiplying this one by this one. And then I'm also going to be multiplying the last things in each set of brackets. This one times this one. So we use the term FOIL to describe first, outside, inside, and last. So I've got x times x as my first. So that's going to be x squared is my first term. X times x, x squared. Then I'm going to be multiplying x times 5, which should be positive 5x. That's my outside terms, x times 5. Now I'm looking at my inside terms, which is 2 times x, which is going to be positive 2x. And then I'm going to be multiplying my last terms, which is 2 times 5, which is positive 10. Now notice I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different terms, and that will happen every single time that you have a set of brackets where you're multiplying 2 different terms by 2 different terms. Essentially 2 times 2, I should get 4 new terms. But notice inside of the brackets when I multiply them out, I actually get a set of like terms, and as we discussed before, whenever I'm dealing with expressions and then later on with equations, if I've got like terms, I can add or subtract them in order to simplify my equation or my expression. So I should be left with x squared plus 5x plus 2x is going to be 7x, not 7x squared. Remember, we're not changing the exponent, only 7x plus 10. So that's what we end up for a final answer when I expand this out using what we call the product rule. In the next video, I'm going to do 2 different examples that look at it in a different way. It's still using the product rule, but they'll be a little bit more challenging because we're going to add in some directed numbers.